welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for coming here today. Please click the subscribe button so you can join the fam. Also hit the notification bell down below so you know when next I post a video, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming here when I post new videos. Like, I really do appreciate you guys. So in today's video, I am just gonna be showing you guys how I make the best spring roll ever, okay? It's very easy. I don't know, but I used to feel like making spring rolls required some special kind of skills, okay? You guys, I don't know, I that was just my thought. But when I tried to make it, I realized it was actually easier than I thought, okay? So I thought to share with you guys, and I do hope you guys enjoy the process, and I hope you guys try it out as well, okay? If you're a foodie or you like small chops, this video is definitely for you, okay? And if you feel like you don't like food, or you don't like small chops, it's still for you, because you would be able to learn how it's made, or at least you would have an idea of what goes down whenever people are making spring rolls, okay? So just keep on watching. So guys, as usual, we do not need so many ingredients for this recipe. So I have some cabbage that has been sliced here with some carrots. I also have some boiled chicken. The chicken has been sliced already, and I'm gonna be using the pre-made spring roll pastry. So this is what I bought from the store, so I'm just gonna be using this in this video. And yeah, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is to fry the vegetable and the chicken. So guys, at this stage I'm just adding some oil to the pan, and I'm just going to let that heat up a bit. Because the chicken was boiled and I just like the taste of fried chicken, I'm going to be starting with the chicken, and then I'll go on to add the vegetable, okay? So just keep on watching. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my seasoning. Usually salt and ground black pepper is good enough, okay? But if you want to add some more spices, that's fine, but just be careful and don't put so much, okay? Because you really don't want to do that to your spring roll, okay? So yeah, just put a little bit, don't put so much. Like I always say in my food videos, have fun, don't take it too personal, okay? Like, enjoy the process. So guys, this is what the final product looks like, okay? So I just put it in a flat plate to let it cool down. You really don't want to use this when it's super hot, okay? So just put it in a flat plate and let it cool down for some time before you start using it. The next thing that I'm doing is to separate the pastry. I like to do this before I actually start rolling it, because I find it easier, okay? I wanted to show you this because it could be very tricky. You also want to be very careful. So you really want to be careful with this to avoid having a hole in the middle, or to avoid it tearing, so yeah, just be very careful. I like to separate mine and put it in a flat plate so that it's easier for me whenever I'm ready to start rolling. So yeah, do it however you want. Again, have fun, okay? So guys, I just have a bowl with some flour here. I'm just gonna mix it with some water just to help me seal whatever I wrap. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. So guys, there's no perfect consistency for this, just freestyle. Some people use just water and it works out perfectly fine. This is what I have. I just need something to use to stick or bind the edges of this together, okay? So yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to use a brush for that. So I have this that I'm going to be using, so that can stay there. So on to the main business of the day. So I have this. The first thing you want to do is you always want to do this slanted. So you want to do this like a diamond shape. This way it would make everything easier for you. So just watch me, okay? It's pretty simple, guys. Like, it's not complicated, nothing too hard, nothing too fancy, okay? So once you have it this way, like the diamond shape, you're good to go, okay? So I have this here, and I'm just gonna be adding this here. You don't need so much, like 1 spoon would do. So guys, see, like, there's a lot of chicken in this thing, okay? I don't know. I don't think being a vegetarian is for me, because no, I just can't. Like, I can't leave chicken, beef, goat meat and all of that to be a vegetarian. Like, it's not my calling. Okay, anyways, let's start. So I'm just gonna be taking like a spoon, and that's how I'm gonna do it, okay? So just put it in bits. You don't need so much. So yeah, just you want it to stay together. So like I said, you want it to be in that diamond, you know. Yeah, so the first thing you want to do is you just want to roll. You can use your spoon if you don't want to use your hand. So pretty much just roll it together, and that's all, guys. So when you have it this way, you want to bend this like this. Okay, so can you see that? And then you want to do the other side as well. Okay, so that's it. So nothing too fancy, guys. I have my brush and I have my mixture here. Just gonna rub that a little bit. Okay, I don't know what's up with my brush, but yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you want to roll and roll and roll. Okay, that wasn't perfect, but I mean, you get the gist, right? So next you need a plate where you can put the one that you already made in. So I'm just going to be putting that somewhere at the side here. Okay, so the next one, and then one thing you can do is you can have a paper towel to wipe this down, just in case. I don't know, I just like to be extra sometimes. So I'm just putting this in a plate, the one I used to wipe this down, so I can use that when I do another one. So guys, again, if you're going to try this another time, like I said, you want that diamond shape, and then you want to put the vegetable and chicken. If you're a vegetarian and you want to try out this recipe, you can just skip the chicken part, but again, just add your season it anyhow you like. Put as much salt. Okay, please don't put too much, okay, because you don't want it to be so salty. But yeah, put, like, just season it the way you season any sauce or, you know, food. So yeah, again, you just want to roll. You guys have fun with this. I always tell you, you want to have fun when you're cooking. Okay, I like to have fun in the kitchen because you guys know I like to cook, and you know I like food. I'm a foodie. I can't kill myself, please. This life, it's only one life that I have. So again, you want to roll, and as you do it more, you would realize that you will get better. Okay, so that's it. So again, my paper towel, I'm just going to wipe just to be sure it's dry, and then back to where we started. You also don't want to put so much, because if you put so much, it might look so, you know, big when you're rolling it. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Yay, this one came out more perfect, guys. I like this one. So guys, any flat surface will do for this. Okay, I'm just using a plate because I find that easier, right? And I don't want to put it directly on the table. So guys, this is what we have, and I'm just going to put some oil in the frying pan and let that heat up, and we are good to go. You can definitely use a basket or whatever you have. I just use a flat plate, and then I put some paper towel on it to take up or soak up the oil when I fry it. I'm just going to put that beside me, and yeah, we'll start frying. So just keep an eye on it, and once you notice it starts getting brown, just turn it to the other side, and once both sides are brown, just take it out. That's it. So guys, this is what we have. This is the final product. Okay, like you guys. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so. I hope you try this out someday, and I hope you like it as well. So guys, I'll see you in my next video, but until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.